So the point 12, negative 5 undergoes the transformation that we see here, y equals f of negative 4x. So before we do this, let's just look at how these transformations change the point xy. So let's start off, we start off with our original points, x, y. And the first transformation that we always do is the horizontal stretches. So this is involving our b term, which we can remember from our general form, af times b x minus h plus k. So horizontal stretches, this is involving the b term here. And remember, when we ever do a horizontal stretch, we always do a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over b. So our point xy goes to the point 1 over b x y. That's how the point changes. The next transformation we do in order is the vertical stretch. This is involving the a terms. And whenever we do a vertical stretch, it's always by a factor of a. So the point goes to 1 over bx, and the y value goes to ay. This is kind of a confusing thing. You got to remember that when you do a horizontal stretch, it's by a factor of 1 over b, and when you do a vertical stretch, it's by a factor of a. Okay, the next part is the horizontal translation, which is 1 over bx plus h ay. Don't get confused. It's going, the point's going up by positive h units. Take a little time, think about it, figure it out. This can be a little confusing, but if you get it straight in your head, it'll stay that way. Okay, and the last part is the vertical translation. So this is 1 over b x plus h ay plus k. So this is all the different transformations that can be done to the points x, y. So let's look at our case, for example. We have y equals f of negative 4x. So in this case, we can see that this negative 4 is equal to b. So b equals negative 4. Okay, and we see we have no a terms in front of here, no h's, no k's. So b is the only thing how our point changes. So let's start back at our original point, 12, negative 5. Do our horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over b is negative 4. Our x value is 12. And we still have negative 5. Okay, and all the other points for the vertical stretches, horizontal and vertical translations, nothing happens. So this is our final point. So 12 over negative 4 is negative 3. And our y value stays the same at negative 5. So we can see here that the answer is A.